This book is a fantastic book to get if you want to start a channel, especially if you want to get that channel monetized. Now, I should tell you, I don't have an affiliate link for it. I'm not going to make money if you buy this book. I did not get sponsored to do this book. This is simply because I've already monetized a YouTube channel, not this one, but a different one. And a lot of what's in here, I can attest to the fact that I already learned some of the stuff that's in here before I read this book, and I did it. And I do have a monetized YouTube channel, meaning the other stuff in the book that's later in it, I can have a lot of confidence that it is going to help me out with even getting my channels that I have even further. If you have no idea what you want to do for YouTube, that's okay. This book will work for you. I'm not going to read the book to you. I have a feeling that probably is against some sort of law, but I will tell you some things that it does. One of the things it does is it starts off talking to you about not like how to make the perfect video or anything like that, but how to kind of like find your place on YouTube and what the best way to do that is. And I'll even show you a little graph here, assuming that that's not going to bother them. But this is just a small little example of what kind of stuff they're teaching in here. They teach you whenever you're looking for a channel, you don't just need to find something that you want to do. You don't just need to find something that people want to watch. You just don't need to just find something that's going to make a lot of money. They talk to you in depth about this. And now I know that this is a very simple process. You're probably like, yeah, I already knew that. There's a lot that goes with it in the actual words. But I found this book very inspiring. Like I said, I already monetized a YouTube channel before I read it. So I'm telling you that a lot of this stuff in here does in fact work, and there's a bunch of it that I can go and test. And it's very encouraging because a lot more of what's in here towards the later portions, I have not really tried a whole bunch of. I've done some affiliate marketing. I haven't really done much in the way of sponsorships, but it goes into a lot of depth about how to get those. It goes into depth about how to use them properly. And there's a lot of different things, both for the beginner and the advanced YouTuber, that this book is going to help you with. If you don't know who Sean Cannell is, one of the ones that wrote, where's his name? I'm covering it. Sean Cannell, he runs Think Media, and they have a channel just like this one where they teach people how to start, grow, monetize YouTube channels. And by the way, if you would like to know more about that, subscribe to this channel, and I continue to have videos that teach you all sorts of things about YouTube. What I did was I started a YouTube channel, got it monetized, and realized that it wasn't really what I was passionate about. Like, I was really just trying to monetize a YouTube channel. That was my first goal. And I did it with less than the average. The average time it takes to monetize a YouTube channel is 12 to 15 months. And I did it 9.5 with no coaching, no video going viral, no kind of weird tricks or anything. I just put a lot of hard work into it. And it's not really a niche that I am an authority in. And this book talks a lot about that. Try to pick a niche that you're an authority in. If you've raised 3 boys to adulthood that are successful, you could do a channel about how to raise boys. If you have been working in the air conditioner industry for 20 years, you could talk about that. If you don't have any experience of anything, I still think this book will help you to figure out where in life you have enough interest that you could get on and start talking about whatever it is that you want to talk about on YouTube to other people. I really enjoyed this book. I think that it is a great book for, like I said, both beginners and experts alike. I don't know if there's a lot in here that's outdated. It's the second edition. It's got some updated stuff. There was some stuff I was reading in there that I think might not be true anymore. Like, it says you can't even do community posts until, I think it said 500 subscribers. I don't know if that's true anymore, but for the most part, I'm sure they're going to come out with more updates and stuff as it goes along, because YouTube is a constantly changing machine. But for the most part, this book is very helpful. I would absolutely recommend getting this book. It's not one that is hard to read. Like, there were no words in this book that I had to look up. I'm not a super smart guy, which is a good point to remember. If I can do this, you can do it too. I did it without this book. You're smarter than me, I guarantee you. If you get this book and you start YouTube, you will most likely do even better than I did on my first channel. And I need you to remember, this book is different than watching YouTube videos to get yourself monetized, because usually when you watch YouTube videos, they're all jumbled. They're all over the place. They're all grabby. They're all trying to keep your attention in whatever way, possible. I have some videos like that if you like that kind of stuff. I've also got videos like this that are just kind of like, talking head videos. But this is all organized. It's all there for you. It's not really hard to figure out. And there's two different writers in it. It's Sean Cannell and Benji Travis. And Sean Cannell's channel is to help people grow on YouTube. But Benji Travis started, I believe was it cooking? I can't remember. It's been about a week since I read this book, and it took me about 3 days to read it. I'm not a good reader. I read it very quickly, but they don't really focus on Benji's actual channel very much, or Sean's for that matter. They focus on how they can help you. And they do mention other people that they've helped and different ways that they've done things. It's a very good book. I'm probably going to read it a second time. And just to show you that I, in fact, did read it and enjoyed it, I want you to look at all the pink. That's my highlighting that I took notes, because I was very, very, very interested in it whenever I was reading it. And I'm going to go back to this so many times as I grow my channels and try to do things that are bigger than I've done before, and to go back and even just kind of reinforce the things that I already think I know, to show myself that, hey, even though I've already been doing, this part of YouTube consistently and well, I've kind of fallen slack. And what have I slacked on? I can go back here and it'll show me. So I really recommend you pick up this book. It's YouTube Secrets, Sean Cannell, Benji Travis. And I think, like I said, I don't have a link for you. I might put one down in the description, but it won't be an affiliate link. I won't get any commission. So feel free to, just go straight to their website if you want to. Think Media probably has it somewhere on their website. And I bought it. Actually, I think I got it just paid for shipping. I think it was $7. This is like a 260-page book. So it's not just like a $7 book. So I paid $7 and got it delivered to my door. So if you want to know more about YouTube, if you've already started a channel, or you want to know different things about YouTube and how to grow on YouTube, get this book. And then before you get that book, make sure to watch this video right here, because it'll help you how to do shorts and make your channel get monetized even faster than it would normally.